It's no secret that electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. We're seeing more and more of them on our roads as the country moves towards a fully electric future. But even though sales of EVs are up, there is still a lot of uncertainty surrounding electric vehicles. So if you're one of those people considering an EV as your next car, then here are 5 things you need to know before you buy an EV.
Number 1. Electric vehicles can be expensive. Electric vehicles are expensive at the moment for a number of reasons. They're premium products, the second-hand market needs to develop, and there aren't as many models to choose from in comparison to internal combustion engine vehicles. However, electric vehicles are much cheaper to run. If you're able to charge at home, then EV charging tariffs can make charging simple and affordable. If you can't charge at home, then public charging will be a bit more expensive, but there are other solutions out there with community charging apps like CoCharger, which offer cost-effective alternatives. There are also fewer parts in an electric vehicle, so you'll also save money on servicing costs and things like that as well. If you live or work in London, you'll also save money on congestion charges and ULEZ as well. But do the maths, work out what you can afford and decide whether you can make the switch to an electric vehicle or not. Electric vehicles will only get cheaper as the market evolves and electricity prices drop too, but the initial outlay is expensive, so if you can't make the switch now, you should be able to in a few years' time. Number 2. Running an EV is completely different to running a petrol or diesel car. Before buying an electric car, think about what you need from a car first of all. For example, if all you do is drive 5 miles to and from work every day, then you probably don't need an EV with a 300 plus mile range, and you can instead go for something a little bit cheaper. If you've got kids, have to drive to and from work, do the school run as well, then you might want to have a look for an electric SUV with a decent range. There might not be as many EV models out there in comparison to ICE models, but there are still lots of great options on the market to choose from. And if you need help choosing, then be sure to check out all our electric car reviews on our channel. You'll also want to figure out about charging. If you're able to have a home charger, then shop around and find the best charger for you. If you're not able to, then apps like ZapMap can help you find chargers near your home so you can plan where you're going to charge. Owning an electric vehicle is a complete change of mindset, one that requires a little bit more planning, so if you're thinking of making the switch, then start planning ahead now. Number 3. A test drive will really help. One of the best ways to decide whether an electric car is for you or not is to try one, so go and book yourself a test drive or arrange a short loan of an electric vehicle and experience it for yourself. Electric cars are quite different to your regular petrol and diesel cars. The ride is a lot smoother, they accelerate a lot quicker, and other things like regen braking can also take some time getting used to. Trying an electric car will also allow you to try public charging, so by doing this, you can realise that it's not as scary as you thought it was going to be. Number 4. If it ticks all the boxes, then take the plunge. So, you've done the maths, done all your research, and an EV seems to tick all the boxes. So, what are you waiting for? I get it. Electric vehicles are a new thing, and making the change can be scary, but there is a reason why 99% of people that have made the switch say they will never go back to a petrol or diesel car. So, take the plunge, sell your old car, and get yourself an electric vehicle and become part of the EV revolution. Number 5. The EV industry needs you to spread the word. Now, unless you're in the 1%, chances are you're going to love your electric vehicle, so be sure to spread the word. Tell your friends and family about how great EVs are and let them have a go in your electric vehicle so they can experience it for themselves. Remember, EVs might not be for everyone, but electric vehicles do take a lot of stick in the media and from old school petrol heads, so help fight the corner for EVs and let people know just how great they are.
So there you have it. There are the 5 key things you need to know before you buy an electric vehicle. And if you are thinking of making the switch to an EV, then be sure to check out all our electric car reviews to find out which one is perfect for you. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.